Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Raisa Naushin and today I'm here with a Halloween makeup tutorial. This look is kind of like a witch who is possessed by an evil butterfly. I had no idea how to name this look because I was kind of going with the flow. I know I wanted to do something with butterflies, but I did not know if I wanted it to be a witch or a masquerade skull. So this look ended up being a combination of a witch and an evil butterfly. So I really hope that you guys will enjoy this look, and if you wanna know how to get this makeup look right here, then please keep on watching. For this look, I did the base and brows of camera and I blocked one eyebrows with a stick glue because on this side I'm going to draw the butterfly. So with a black pencil eyeliner, I'm outlining the butterfly. After sketching it out, I'm using a black face paint to properly outline the butterfly. Here I'm adding some details inside the wings. With a very intense orange face paint, I'm going to fill in the gaps of the wing in the butterfly.
With nothing left to show, we're afraid of where we've been. You gotta let me in.
Now with the Focalier ever-changing eyeshadow palette, I'm taking a very intense, kind of like a greenish gold, and I'm applying it on top of that orange so that it gives a lot more texture and depth. And I'm also applying it on my eyelids. With a white face paint, I'm going to add some white dots around the wings so that it looks more realistic. Here I'm adding some mascara and I'm putting on some falsies from Lash Lounge. Again with some black face paint, I'm adding some drips from the wings of the butterfly so that it almost looks like the butterfly is melting on my face. With these two orange shades, I'm going to contour my face with that. And with a black eyeshadow, I am going to intensify the contour. also contouring my collarbones and neck.
You gotta let me in.
And for the other side, first I'm applying a black eyeshadow all over my eyelid. And with the orange eyeshadow, I'm going to blend out the edges of the black. And on the lower lash line, I'm dragging it really low because I want my eyes to look sunken in and deadly. Going back to that same greenish gold, applying it on my eyelids. And then on top, I'm applying some white dots with that same white face paint. Also on my inner corners.
With nothing left to show.
Again, adding some drips from the eye.
Afraid of where we've been. You gotta let
Adding some mascara and that same pair of falsies. Taking a very dark brown, I'm going to contour the face on this side. Also contouring the nose with it. For the lips, I'm lining my lips with a black eye pencil. And then on top, I'm going in with that same golden shade. Also highlighting my collarbones with that same shade. And once again, I'm adding some drips on my neck. I'm also highlighting my cheekbones, nose, and above my brows. And that's it, guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!
all in your hands.